Okay, here it is. It's got some great curb appeal, looks very nice. Guess you don't need to see the neighborhood, we're just focused on the house, huh? Okay, here's the entry. What's the floor plan called again?
Konlee.
The Konlee. Here we go, here's the office, piano room, living room, whatever you wanted to call it. This is very cool, great room. Lots of natural light. Just awesome windows. And it's open up to the loft upstairs. See the eating area, and then also the kitchen. Cool island. I'm sure this model is tons of upgrades. So get a sense for the spot for double oven, walk-in pantry, lots of cabinet space, sliding glass door out to the back, window to the backyard. Closet, half bath. Okay, old mudroom spot. This goes out to the garage. This one has a 3-car garage. To the master. Here's the laundry room. Great cabinets. Actually, so far, a really fantastic floor plan. I like it. Master bedroom. Connected to the master bath. You have your tub, double sinks. Big window out to the yard. Great size shower. This one has double heads. Here's walk-in closet. And here's the other one. It's very cool, so double closets. Toilet room. Step back and give you one more view of this bathroom. Master. One more video of this area. A gigantic Christmas tree right here, which is blocking things, but like all the windows, natural light. If I had one critique, I would say some people might want a bigger eating area right here, a bigger gathering area right here, but really it's sufficient. So it's just gonna be personal preference. I like how the master is really buried back there, so there's quite a bit of privacy. I like the entry again. You just walked upstairs to the loft area. Again, you can see the entry from any perspective. You also have these. See downstairs. I like this gathering spot up here, and then you have this craft room, it looks like. Bedroom. Nice little closet. Bathroom. Another bedroom. Third bedroom upstairs. You have the full bathroom upstairs that has a double sink, a separate room for the toilet and for the tub shower. So you can have people using this room and still using the sink at the same time. And then it goes through to that bedroom. We'll go back around this way. You have a furnace room up here, high efficiency furnace, linen closet. Here's the 4th bedroom upstairs. Closet. Windows out. Really great. I really like this floor plan quite a lot. I love you have so many bedrooms upstairs and this gathering spot. Walking down to the basement. Big storage area with a utility closet. And then here's a cold storage room. Another big spot wraps around a little ways. Here's the basement. Big old family room. Looks like bathroom here, bathroom there. A couple bedrooms on the other side. Do whatever you want though.